2021, Amanda Noik shares an unsettling video on her Facebook page. The footage captured by her Ring doorbell shows a stranger with gray hair and a full-grown gray beard, persistently ringing her doorbell and knocking. Amanda, feeling uneasy, ignores the stranger's attempts to engage with her.
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you.
The man keeps insisting that he wants to talk to her and has questions.
Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? What? Are you sure? I just rang your doorbell because I have a couple questions for you. Are you sure? Are you positive? Are you sure? Are you absolutely certain?
When Amanda realizes she is home alone, she calls her husband and the authorities. Using the camera on his phone, Amanda's husband sees the man and tries to communicate with him through the speaker. The man remains unfazed, displaying a chilling demeanor.
How are you?
What? Yeah? Are you sure?
Who are you?
Hey, I just had a couple questions. I just wanted to ask you about maybe pillow. Yeah, can you hear me? What I'm looking for is for the girl that's in the house to come out here because I'm going to take her in. You have to open the door. You're racing the girl that's on the other side of this door when she lets me in. I want to rip her into her so I have a knife. And I just want to knock on her door again. Alright.
He threatens Amanda and mentions a knife before calmly walking away, continuing to mutter to himself.
Yeah. What?
Amanda, fearing for the safety of others, shares the eerie footage on Facebook.